grab my broom and crank the tune up loud. Dust and laughter spinning through the crowd. Wiping every corner, putting love in place. Every little movement puts a smile on my face. I'm dancing while I'm cleaning, making magic in my home. Turning chores to celebration, never dancing alone. Feeling rich in gratitude, every heartbeat is a beat. Life's my own creation and it's making me move my feet. Soap sets glisten on the sink, I spin around the room, turning tables into stages in this homemade living room. Straightening my pathway, sorting drinks by size. With every step I'm closer to imagining the prize. I'm dancing while I'm playing, making magic in my home. Turning chores to celebration, never dancing alone. Feeling rich in gratitude, every heartbeat is a beat. Life's my own creation and it's making me move my feet. My goals are set before me, I'm reaching for the sky. Each dusted shelf reminds me I was born to amplify. Bold intention shining bright like diamonds in my mind. Wiping off the doubt and leaving all my fears behind. I'm dancing while I'm cleaning, making magic in my home. Turning chores to celebration, never dancing alone. Feeling rich in gratitude, every heartbeat is a beat. Life's my own creation and it's making me move my feet. Oh, I feel it rising, every dream's within my reach. I'm the author of this story, writing miracles with each week. I'm worth it, I'm loved, I'm living in the now. And I dance into tomorrow with my head up proud. I'm dancing while I'm cleaning, making magic in my home. Turning chores to celebration, never dancing alone. Feeling rich in gratitude, every heartbeat is a beat. That's my own creation and it's making me move my feet. I plant my dreams in hopeful soil, hearts open wide and free. The universe unfolds for me like waves upon the sea. Every step I take's in tune, aligned with destiny. Abundance flows in rivers bright, it finds its way to me. Money comes easy like rivers to the shore. I'm dancing in a cascade, always wanting more. Avalanches of plenty roll into my life. Harmony and fortune dancing hand in hand. The universe is singing, I'm living in this land. I speak my truth in open skies, no fear to hold me down. My heart's a friendly magnet, attracting all around. Every single blessing sparkles when it finds its way. I'm bathed in golden currents every single day. Money comes easy like rivers to the shore. I'm dancing in a cascade, always wanting more. Avalanches of plenty roll into my life. Harmony and fortune dancing hand in hand. The universe is singing, I'm living in this land. I wake in gratitude each breath, abundance at my door. No ceiling for my blessings, I'm open evermore. Prosperity's a song I sing, a melody so sweet. It spins in golden circles down every single street. Money comes easy like rivers to the shore. I'm dancing in a cascade, always wanting more. Avalanches of plenty roll into my life. Harmony and fortune dancing hand in hand. The universe is singing, I'm living in this land. Avalanches of plenty roll into my life. Money flows in miracles, a treasure every night. I'm in tune with all the gifts the universe provides. single on the couch, heart waiting for a sign. Then my phone lit up, my aunt said, "Hey girl, he's on the line." Next thing I knew, there he was on the screen. Sweet smile, warm laugh, like living in a dream. Girl, I manifested it, yeah, I called him in my prayers. Girl, I manifested it, now he's standing right there. Prosperity and love, honey, I can't quit, don't you know? I manifested it. We tried for a miracle, thought maybe it was too much. Then 3 baby boys filled our home with magic and such. Laughter in the halls, toes dancing on the floor. Every single heartbeat left me wanting more. Girl, I manifested it, got my 3 little kings. Girl, I manifested it and all the joy they bring. Overflowing blessings, every single bit, don't you know? I manifested it. Dreamed of that diamond circle shining like the sun. Look at my ring now, oh honey, I've already won. From a small bedroom life to 4 rooms to Rome, and that black BMW top down cruising on my own. Girl, I manifested it, ring so bright and new. Girl, I manifested it, spacious rooms to view. Convertible cruising, feeling every bit, don't you know? I manifested it. Girl, I manifested it, life is living proof. Girl, I manifested it, and every dream I choose. Prosperity, laughter, I'll never quit, don't you know? I manifested it. Oh yeah. Feel the rhythm of the open road. I play my cards and watch the numbers rise. Every deal I make is a sweet surprise. Stacking dreams up to the ceiling high. In this game of chance, I'm the winning kind. Massive stacks are rolling straight to me like a river wide and free. Money's just a game, I've been the rules. I'm sitting pretty, calling all the moves. Every offer's sweet when you know your worth. I carve my path across the heart of earth. Fortune's favor lives inside my hands. I turn each moment into golden plans. Massive stacks are rolling straight to me like a river wild and free. Money's just a game, I've been the rules. I'm sitting pretty, hauling all the moves. I've learned to raise the stakes, I won't look back when I step up. I own every trade. All my dreams are mine to redefine. I'll take the win every single time. No fear in my heart, I'm built to last. My eyes are forward, never on the past. Gold and green, just keep on finding it. I'm playing big and I play it free. just a game. I bend the rules, I'm sitting pretty, calling all the moves. All the cards are in my hands. This is how winning feels. Yeah. I find my peace in every corner. I sweep away the dust and worry, polish every shelf until it gleams. Order in these walls keeps my heart steady. Every tidy space fuels my dreams. I take pride in my surroundings, keep my home pristine, chasing clutter out the window, living out my dream. The cleaner that I stay, the richer that I feel. I build my fortune in a space that's real. Every little corner tells a story, but chaos never finds a place. I tend to all the rooms with glory, then open wide a brighter space. I take pride in my surroundings, keep my home pristine, chasing clutter out the window, living out my dream. The cleaner that I stay, the richer that I feel. I build my fortune in a space that's real. With every swept line I feel my spirit rise, clearing out the old brings a fresh surprise. Harmony and order fuels my heart's design, strength and fortune follow every line. No corner left forgotten or hidden, I keep the pathway open bright. In tidy rooms my hope is written, clean and clear my guiding line. I take pride in my surroundings, keep my home pristine, chasing clutter out the window, living out my dream. The cleaner that I stay, the richer that I feel. I build my fortune in a space that's real. Clean walls, open doors, my heart is free. Wealth and peace live here with me. Here she comes. She wakes up with a spark in her eyes. Boots hit the floor and she's aiming high. Lipstick smile, she's shaking off doubt. Every step she's taking, she's ready to shout. She decided she was worth it, yeah, she threw away the doubt. Raised her voice, flipped the script, now there's no backing now. She's got fire in her belly and a wild heart to match. This girl's on a mission, there's no plan she can't hatch. She flips her hair when the patriarchy talks. She laughs in their faces as she walks the walk. Feeling good, feeling fierce, she's on in the night. Countdown's over, now she's ready for flight. When they tell her she can't, she says, watch me now. No cage, no chain, she's busting out. She's more than enough, gonna show you how. She decided she was worth it, yeah, she threw away the doubt. Raised her voice, flipped the script, now there's no backing out. She's got fire in her belly and a wild heart to match. This girl's on a mission, stronger than you ever catch. She decided she was worth it, lighting up her own sky. Bold as the sunrise, watch her learn to fly. She's got fire in her belly and nothing left to prove. closing every chapter, burning down the old rules. She stopped waiting for a miracle and felt a spark inside. She stopped asking for permission. She stopped doubting her power. Silent doubts dissolved like mist as she claimed her every hour. She started saying yes to herself, and that's when everything shifted. She stopped waiting for a miracle and realized she was the miracle. The money came, the love grew, the peace settled in her soul. Walks in light and purpose, knowing she can stand alone. She stopped waiting for a miracle and realized she was the miracle, because she finally decided she was worth it. Yeah, I feel it rising. Woke up this morning, sun is on my face. Heart wide open, stepping into grace. Thoughts of wonder guide every move I make. Trusting in the magic that I create. I'm aligning with purpose, ready to go. Taking inspired action, letting courage show. Joy is the journey I'm living in light, keeping my vibration shining so bright. Let the energy flow, let the good times roll. Always expecting the best, I'm all in soul. When doubts come calling, I dance them away. Choose a higher feeling, letting worry stray. Every small step is a leap in my mind, open to blessings that I'm bound to find. In every heartbeat and every breath I take, I'm tuned to the promise of love I made. Joy is the journey I'm living in light, keeping my vibration shining so bright. Let the energy flow, let the good times roll. Always expecting the best, I'm all in soul. Let the energy flow, watch my spirit grow. Take a breath and open wide. Step inside this quiet space where every corner calls your name. A simple sweep, a careful place. You let the clutter fade away. When you clear the walls and clear the floor, your heart invites so much more. Energy rises, doors swing wide, an avalanche of gifts arise. A dusted shelf, a polished gleam, reflects the vision of your dreams. Clarity whispers, mind at ease. You see the path where blessings lay. When you clear the walls and clear the floor, your heart invites so much more. Energy rises, doors swing wide, an avalanche of gifts arise. Order in the space you own signals you're prepared to grow. Universe hears the silent tone and showers you with hope untold. Each morning light across the floor invites you to embrace much more. A living map of what's in store. Your home becomes prosperity's door. When you clear the walls and clear the floor, your heart invites so much more. Energy rises, doors swing wide. An avalanche of gifts arrives. Keep it clear, let blessings flow. Your heart will always know. I used to chase sunsets with bare feet in the sand. Now I'm running on coffee and a never-ending plan. Mirrors telling stories of a girl I used to know, wearing yesterday's heartache in every tired fold. I'm longing for the spark that used to burn inside. A little piece of freedom I let slip away. Mama, you're not lost, just a chapter in between the sleepless nights and messy life you lead. Close your eyes and dream of who you're meant to be. Rise up with that fire you're craving to see. Little hands are pulling at every piece of your time. Your birthday's on the calendar, but you've been lost in the lines. Hold on to the woman behind those baby brown eyes. She's waiting for a brand new gun to light up her sky. Hear the melody that's calling from deep within. It's time to let your heart and your story begin. Mommy, you're not lost, just a chapter in between the sleepless nights and messy lives you lead. Close your eyes and dream of who you're meant to be. Rise up with that fire you're craving to see. Picture morning light sparkling on a brand new you, laughing in that to that life you deserve. Feel the wind in your hair, find the courage to serve. Body, or you're lost, just a chapter in the tea. Sleepless nights and dream of who you're meant to be. Wake up every morning excited to breathe. Head held high beneath the morning sun, spark of wonder rising, days begun. I felt a whisper in my heart, a subtle sign that leads the way. No dollar signs could ever buy the glow I wake with every day. Pure magic dancing in my soul, I'm riding on that sweet emotion. Joy's the seed that grows my world, I'm tuned into wholehearted motion. I'm living tuned in and turned on, letting blessings find their place. Wealth can't buy this feeling, strong joy is a magnet for my grace. Satisfaction anywhere, but magic's all around my door. I'm calling everything I want into my vortex evermore. Found wonder in a sunrise bow, feathers drifting through the air. Laughed until my spirit swayed, felt bliss beyond compare. Empty pockets don't define the spark that lights me from within. I sparkle first and riches flow, I'm joy's own caravan. I'm living, tuning in, turned on, letting blessings find their place. Wealth can't buy this feeling, strong joy is a magnet for my grace. Satisfaction anywhere I go, magic's all around my door. Calling everything I want into my vortex evermore. Let the universe conspire when you ignite your own delight. I'm a beacon shining bright with every breath tonight. Energy aligning, miracles riding at my door. Open up the pathway, magic lies to something more. Road takes twists and reverse turn, but wonder never fades away. I dance upon the trails of life, my heart becomes the highway. Every step I take is fuel for dreams that rise in open skies. Choice and math and wealth will come. There's truth I'll never compromise. I'm living tuned in, turned on, letting blessings find their place. Looking by the feeling strong, joy's a magnet for my grace. Satisfaction anywhere I go, magic's all around my door. I'm calling everything I want into now. One more tattoo evermore. Now standing open fields where wildflowers guide my dreams. The source of every treasure rise within the sun that beams. So to my soul to freedom, summon, let abundance flow. For magic is the life I choose. Watch my vortex overflow. I've been chasing every doubt away. Stepped into my light, learned how to play. Every step I take, I'm stronger than before. Heart wide open, ready for what's in store. I believe in me, yeah, I'm worthy. I can do anything I see. Got what's meant for me, oh, it's coming. I love me, feels so good to be me. When the world says wait, I push on through. Paint my own road in a brighter hue. Confidence flows in every breath I take. Building up my dreams with each choice I make. I believe in me, yeah, I'm worthy. I can do anything I see. Got what's meant for me, oh, it's coming. I love me, feels so good to be me. No more waiting on a perfect sign. My heart's my compass leading all the time. Every dream I dream, I bring it into view. With every beat I know that I'm true. I believe in me, yeah, I'm worthy. I can do anything I see. Got what's meant for me, oh, it's coming. I love me, feels so good to be me. Nothing can stop this fire inside. We rise together, watch us light the sky. Yeah. I can do it all and give it all. Yeah, yeah. I can do it all and give it all. I love me, feels so good to be me. Sunrise paints the sky in shades of gold. I put on my shades and watch the story unfold. Every little moment feels brand new when I'm seeing life from this rosy view. I'd rather live life looking through rose-colored glasses, chasing sunshine even when the storm glasses. Call it childish, call it sweet and true. I spread my wings and paint my world in rose from you. Clouds may roll in, try to steal my smile, but I'll flip the lens and linger for a while, turning fingertips into simple dreams, finding rainbows in the in-betweens. I'd rather see hearts glowing in rosy glasses, feel the laughter sweep away my past ashes, even if it feels like a child's reverie. This rosy world's the sweetest place to be. Neighbors wave hello as I roll on by, smiling at strangers letting troubles by. Every setback's just a chance to grow. Through rose-tinted lenses I let my soul show. I'd rather live life looking through rose-colored glasses, turning rough roads into fields of daisies. Some say cities say I've lost my mind, but I'll keep this rosy vision safe inside. I'd rather dream on through my rose-colored glasses, love the world more than a moment that passes. Innocent wonder makes my spirit free. Through rose-colored lenses, that's the real me. Feeling that fire inside. I've been down counting pennies, wrestling doubt in the night, but I learned every setback is a spark to ignite. When the world tried to break me, I just bent with the wind, built a ladder from my struggles and I climbed right back again. I'm unshakable, rising higher each time I fall. Toughness is my ticket, I'm breaking through every wall. Turn my losses to lessons, I plant seeds in the rain. Good fortune follows fear that never gives in to pain. Late nights hustling hard, dreaming bigger than bills. Found new roads to riches by sheer strength of my will. Every dollar I lost taught me how to push and to plan. Now I'm spinning gold from hardships with these two calloused hands. I'm unshakable, rising higher each time I fall. Toughest is my ticket, I'm breaking through every wall. Turn my losses to lessons, I plant seeds in the rain. Good fortune follows fear that never gives in to pain. Every bruise is a badge, every scar tells my name. I'm dancing through the fire and I'm fueling my flame. Ooh. I could've walked away broken, but I chose to stand tall. Shape my fate from the embers when the odds make me small. Now the doors keep on open, I just follow the light. Faith in my own stand turns my battles to bright. Ooh. I'm unshakable, rising higher each time I fall. Toughness is my ticket, I'm breaking through every wall. Turn my losses to lessons, I put seeds in the rain. Good fortune follows fear that never gives into pain. Ooh. Unshakable. Stepping out in my favorite boots, I feel that sweet groove. Every handshake brings a friend, I only choose to move through fields of opportunity, golden as the sun. I see pure joy in every face and know my work's begun. Surrounded by goodness, prosperity overflow, joy and love fill my soul wherever I go. Only the best clients lifting me high, spreading hope and light under this open sky. Every call comes with a smile, every meeting's a win. Building dreams with honest hearts, feel the magic begin. My pocket's full of blessings, gratitude in my veins. I plant seeds of happiness, watch how my life gains. Surrounded by goodness, prosperity overflow, joy and love fill my soul wherever I go. Only the best clients lifting me high, spreading hope and light under this open sky. I wake up feeling thankful, dancing in my mind. My heart's a lively festival, leaving doubt behind. Every soul I touch glows brighter than before, gives me purpose, gives me power, always wanting more. Surrounded by goodness, prosperity overflow, joy and love fill my soul wherever I go. Only the best clients lifting me high, spreading hope and light under this open sky. Surrounded by goodness, prosperity overflow, joy and love fill my soul wherever I go. Only the best clients lifting me high, I'm wealthy, free and true in me tonight. I step outside and feel the magic in the air. Every promise, every dream is hanging everywhere. Open arms of fortune waving right in my face. Every step I take, I'm dancing in this space. Abundance down like rivers run free, the universe is singing just for me. Money flows in avalanches, can't get enough. Effortless and easy, I'm wrapped up in this love. Every single heartbeat echoes golden highways. Every door I touch swings wide without delay. Harmony's the rhythm pulsing through my veins. Providence and fortune keep breaking my chains. Abundance down like rivers run free, the universe is singing just for me. Money flows in avalanches, can't get enough. Effortless and easy, I'm wrapped up in this love. I never have to chase it, it's always by my side. Blessings overflowing, lift me on the tide. Grateful for this freedom, painting all my days. Living in abundance, I'm caught up in the blaze. Morning light breaks open path, ways to my dreams. Seeds of joy are sprouting into golden streams. Every breath I take, I feel my spirit rise. Carried by these wings, across expansive skies. Fields of possibility sway beneath my feet. Every sea of hope blooms into something sweet. In this endless garden, love will always grow. I'm surrounded by the grace that gently overflows. Abundance down like rivers run free, the universe is singing just for me. Money flows in avalanches, can't get enough. Effortless and easy, I'm wrapped up in this love. Abundance down like rivers run free, the universe is singing just for me. Money flows in avalanches, can't get enough. Sunrise lights the open road, my heart is free. Every step I take, prosperity follows me. Fields of green and endless skies, it's all in view. I was born to have abundance, nothing I can't do. Massive money comes to me, I feel so blessed and free. Wealth meets my needs and all desires naturally. Every single day it grows right before my eyes. I deserve my highest life, watch my fortunes rise. Every wish I whisper floats into the open air. Universe conspires for me, prosperity is there. I choose the life I'm living, blessings on repeat. All my dreams are manifesting with every heartbeat. Massive money comes to me, I feel so blessed and free. Wealth meets my needs and all desires naturally. Every single day it grows right before my eyes. I deserve my highest life, watch my fortunes rise. Birthright of abundance shining in my soul. Nature's flow delivers all complete and whole. Riches in my veins like rivers running wide. I'm living in my purpose with love and joyful pride. Massive money comes to me, I feel so blessed and free. Wealth meets my needs and all desires naturally. Every single day it grows right before my eyes. I deserve my highest life, watch my fortunes rise. Massive money comes to me, I feel so blessed and free. Wealth meets my needs and all desires naturally. Every single day it grows right before my eyes. I deserve my highest life, watch my fortunes rise. I close my eyes and paint the sky my shade of blue. Build my world on every single dream I choose. Stepping out in confidence, I'm ready to believe. I see it clear, it's right here. Every goal I weave, I'm creating my reality, it's mine to make. Bold and fearless, I imagine every day. Feels so real, I'm alive in what I see. Watch it come to life, this world belongs to me. Money, love, and work, I claim them all as mine. No more waiting on the sidelines of time. Every heartbeat's a promise, every wish a spark. Igniting all the colors, lighting up my heart. I'm creating my reality, it's mine to make. Bold and fearless, I imagine every day. Feels so real, I'm alive in what I see. Watch it come to life, this world belongs to me. Every step I take, I own the path I roam. Building castles in the air and turning them to home. Rich in love and value, every second that I spend. Breathing in my destiny, no limits in the end. I'm creating my reality, it's mine to make. Bold and fearless, I imagine every day. Feels so real, I'm alive in what I see. Watch it come alive, this world belongs to me. All the doubt fades away, I'm the author of today. Every dream that calls my name, I'm on fire, can't be tamed. I close my eyes and see the colors in my mind. Painting every day with the dreams I've yet to find. Dancing on a velvet sky, feel the music play. Every heartbeat whispers that I'm paving my own way. I'm stepping out of shadows, I'm claiming all my goals. I'm the author of my story, turn the pages in my head. Feel the power of tomorrow, living like I'm rich already. I'm worthy and I'm wanted, watch my world light up the sky. Build it up inside my vision, then I see it come alive. Every step's a declaration, every breath a brand new start. I whisper to the universe, I'm believing with my heart. Gold dust on my fingertips, so shine celebration, every star gets undone. I feel the joy, the richness woven through my veins. Dreams become my daily truth when breaking all the chains. I'm the author of my story, feel the power up to tomorrow in my life. I'm worthy and wanted, watch my world light up, the sky licks up. I see you come alive. Step inside that feeling, let it carry you away. Close your eyes, the liquid's real, the way to fade. I wake up to sunrise kissing my skin, a dusty road ahead and my heart within. Every beat tells me I can overtake, every breath reminds me I won't break. I am the dreamer, I am a flame, I am a whisper calling out my name. No map, no limits, I choose where I go. Ooh. Every step's a promise, I've got room to grow. Ooh. I am strong, I am free, I am wild as the sea. I am light, I am fire, burning bright inside of me. I am brave, I am bold, I am right in my own soul. I am power, I am truth, I am taking back control. Ooh. Moonlight dances on the edge of my skin. I've learned to trust the magic found within. No fear of falling when I know I can fly. My heart's a compass pointing to the sky. I am the sunrise, I am the tide, I am the answer living deep inside. I am worthy of my own desires. I am roaring like untamed fires. I am rising while the world stands still. I am every dream I feel. Ooh, ooh, I am strong, I am free, I am wild as the sea. I am light, I am fire, burning bright inside of me. I am brave, I am bold, I am right in my own soul. I am power, I am truth, I am taking back control. I am here, I am now, I am everything I choose. I am love, I am life, nothing left for me to lose. I could feel the change around me. I used to doubt the road I'm on, afraid to trust the voice inside. But every step I take reminds me I've got the strength to be alive. I believe in me, I'm writing my own story. Standing tall and true, I'm claiming all this glory. I align my heart, set my vision free, and let the avalanche of abundance follow me. I know exactly what I want, my purpose shining in my soul. With every dream I plan and nurture, I am closer to my goal. I believe in me, I'm writing my own story. Standing tall and true, I'm claiming all this glory. I light my heart, set my vision free. Let the avalanche of abundance follow me. Every dream I see becomes reality when I hold my truth and let it breathe. I've walked through doubt, I faced my fears, but now I rise above the fray. My heart aligned with all I'm building, I'm unstoppable today. I believe in me, I'm writing my own story. Standing tall and true, I'm claiming all this glory. I align my heart, set my vision free, and let the avalanche of abundance follow me. I believe abundance flows to me. My dreams are here. I've been fed the same old story, got broke voices in my head, talking about I'll never make it, keep me stuck and full of dread. But I'm flipping the equation, rewiring every thought, drowning out the noise that says I'm poor. That's a lesson I forgot. Money, love, speed, so I'm running wild. Wealth loves time and I'm counting miles. Attention flows where my vision grows. It's a game, watch me win when I know. Every broke voice told me stay down low, I ignore that old replay, brainwashing myself to believe like them, but I'm choosing a different way. I measure every moment, guess it goes my mind and grow my goal, planting seeds of confidence each day, harvest stories yet untold. Money, love, speed, watch me take flight. Wealth loves time, I'm investing right where attention flows, fortune grows. It's a game, I'm the boss when I show. I rewrite every limit, every no becomes a yes, turning doubts into fuel. I'm obsessed with success, locked in on the target, every second counts for more. I'm the master of my story, winning's what I'm aiming for. So I shut out every naysayer, silence echoes in my mind. Mindset over money, mindset leaves the old me far behind. Counting blessings in my paychecks, tracking progress like a chart, knowing growth is habitual, every day I restart. secret I chose. It's a game, and I'm winning as I go. Money is a game, and I play to win. Brainwashed by success, it's stirring from within. I won't listen to broke talk, I'm the voice they'll know. Measuring my journey, watching my fortune grow.